Hi, I'm Dr. Ford, and I'm in the middle of editing our book called Discovering Your Food Story with Dr. Doug Richards. And we're in the second half of the book where we're talking about your body and your story with food. And it has contributed to so many different conversations already. We've only on the first page, where typical in my practice, I authentically believe with every fiber of my being that you're not broken. And it's not just a blanket statement I would say to everybody, but a lot of times 8 out of 10 people who are seeking out my help, they're in pain or they're in fear, and I would attribute that to Doug, and they want to be fixed. And so this essence of, hey, I understand that there's certain parts of your body you don't like, you're uncomfortable, but a lot of times with body image is woven in there, and we were told at a young age that we were broken or our body size was not good enough for love or acceptance or belonging. That sense of belief then forms this identity of shame about your body. And the hardest part about that is you live in your body. You can't trade in for a new one. You can cut it, you can change it, but sometimes when it works, when that happens out of shame or obligation, it's so painful. And after a while, the pain is too great. So we give up, we have cheat days, or we fall off the wagon, or whatever we call it. And round we go again because we feel guilty or shameful that we're not trying. And then it becomes a matter of discipline, or you're not trying hard enough, or whatever, or this program's going to work, or this pill's going to work. And the diet and the body industry is a brilliant model because it blames the consumer if the product doesn't work. So you go back and try for more. And so a lot of my counseling and my philosophy and my practice is you're not broken. I'm not here to fix you, but I want to step in a journey or in your journey and see if I have anything to offer to help you along the way. But you cannot hate yourself or your body to health, at least not for long, maybe for a little while. But fear and hate don't typically heal. Compassion and kindness and love do. And this is different than a broken bone. You can heal a broken bone. It might not ever be the same, but it can heal. You can repair a fractured, pelvis. You can repair a torn meniscus. But for whatever reason, this term broken, when we use that about our body, it's such a slippery slope where it can tie in with our identity that you want to be very gentle with it, very kind, and using words that have heavy meaning matters. And so be kind.